Howdy. So what I'm doing today is helping a mate out with his van. The door won't open. The locking mechanism is loose. That's put loose there, so obviously can't open the door. So first I want to do is remove the cover plates here and there, and remove the screws and the one screw up there, and we'll get that inner panel at the bottom here off first, and then we'll take the top panel off and have a look at what's going on. And sorry, I can't do that while holding the phone, but I'll show you each step as I go. Right, a little tricky. I've got the not calendar, one. Make this work. A little tricky off a little bit. Okay, got a broken spring. And looking inside here. So we've got the door open now. Now the little part that I pushed on was in this area here. I can't show you right now because now that the door's open, it's moved up out of sight, but it was around this area here. There's a little bar that pushes up. I pushed against it and the mechanism started working properly. So I'm going to take this whole mechanism out of the door now and have a look externally, get a better view on what's going on. So first of all, I want to remove this rail here. So I'm going to have to remove that screw here and that screw there, take that rail out, and then I can remove these three screws here and get this mechanism out all together. So there's a couple of clips inside as well that I need to undo. A clip here. So once that mechanism's out of the way, we'll get a much better view of what's going on there anyway, and see what else needs to be done. Okay, so the problem here is the spring that goes from here to here, that's where the problem is, why this stopped working. Now I'll show you here with that bar there up, the locking mechanism works fine. Once that spring fell, it allows that arm there to drop. Once that drops, I can't use the door anymore. It won't unlock or lock. So if you have this problem, this is the bar you need to push up that I was trying to tell you about a minute ago that you couldn't see anymore. Push that up with a screwdriver, unlock your car, and then fix your door. And just need to replace that spring. And the hardest part of this job is finding a spring. Alright, so got the spring on it there now. You can see behind there, what I've done there. That's going to keep it all back in order. We can function the door now. That's the way it goes, like that. No, sorry, it goes this way. So that's all working. It was only a couple of bucks. There's the springs we got, 3 springs for $7. And we'll do the driver's door another time. Going to work on the sliding door next to have a look at the bearing and why it's playing up there. I'll get this door together and we'll finish up. Alright, so finishing off here. Door's open and closing again, or lock it. Locked. Unlocked. Everything's back together. You don't need to take the 2 bottom screws off at all. That removed the bottom panel after the top one. I thought both panels were going to have to come off at the beginning of the video, but that's not needed. It's only the top one, so one screw there, and insert a clip there, or plugs on the power connection if you've got a power door. So thanks for watching. Till next time, cheers.